Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Pay and confirming you're on the right account so rewards link correctly to transactions. Tap the rewards section or your profile to load active offers and any current balance. Enable notifications and location permissions. This lets the app surface nearby merchant promotions and time-limited deals. Once done, scan the list for enrollment-required offers and add them now. Enrolling before a purchase ensures automatic crediting, which is why you set permissions and pick offers up front. Next, pick the specific reward you want and add it to your account so Google Pay knows to apply it at checkout. Make sure the transaction uses the eligible card or payment method linked to the offer, otherwise credit won't attach. Read the fine print on minimum spend, merchant restrictions, and expiry so you meet conditions. When paying in store, activate the app and present the QR or tap to pay. For online purchases, choose Google Pay at checkout to let the platform auto-apply the saved reward. Finish by confirming the reward appears on your receipt or the confirmation screen immediately after payment. That's proof it applied. If you don't see it, first check the offer status, that you used the eligible payment method, and that the transaction time fell within the offer window. These are the usual reasons for failure. If still unresolved, gather the receipt, offer ID, and timestamps, then contact Google Pay support. Providing those details speeds up reversal or manual credit, which is why you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.